Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Manta namun ni ki kongno kine ki review ki set ya ki street food dan ki dosiar. Ma te sapik hadu bukut ke video apan i te like, share and subscribe wat klet re khnang nyam lap apan ni video thamai. Atli kan bos? Aspa Atli. Aspa way.
And then they broke up. And then after being friends for 1 year,
Pedro di Jacques.
Bisa ramai kacang rokok.
Di sana ramai kai. Pala rong sau tu.
they really go like crocodile. Just उनकी life ही खराब है. Yeah, that's it.
कौन से खेलते? For example, him. इसके ना आज का ना
Ajan dep manta. Nas ang ding
Angelina, she was studying in Polish China before.
sang Artli.
That time only.
Ajan dep.
And
Nasang Herman Bam.
my friend said, my another Indian friend said, because he to stay away.
Tujuannya tu Artli
Other
pikir
girls just stay away.
sedang manta.
That's why her friends are guys only Muslim.
belum kenal.
Aspa way.
I've been studying in town.
Kalong Aspa.
I have guys only. You're a liar. That's why last day me only. Oh, I like this.
That guy is a fan.
Friend.
Fan.
You said friend at first.
No, fan.
And then after they said Kevin tried to show something.
Ajan dep Soskhang.
I don't know why he find it so much, you know.
Kanam ni bos.
Na alat friend ko.
Kadep ne? Kadep.
Anda saya.
Sekarang di bayar.
You didn't do it from me.
I just comment na.
When I can do it. Yeah, but me different.
Pedro do siap that. Sang ding charcoal.
So embarrassed. I was so angry.
Oh, itan ada khana.
I thought such a posty but
I don't know why you think.
Abon pro customer daga daw slam pelat. Ajan dep ni Musphang.
you're not interested in what
Itu sebenarnya Artli. Kamu tu. Is. Labang pelat lah memang sudah. Saknan. Itu asal. Sedang saat ding. Ajan dep. Abot sarap adep itu. Sanjo he ban pamenta Musphang. Di bamna Musphang. Adep.
Ay ba, siap. Siap tu siap.
Hanya deh, baik itu sispa Arpeo,
Spa powder. Sama ba?
gratis. Jadi sispa away na.